What's up, guys? Welcome back to another new video where I show you a good app to start earning with. I know it's been a long time since I made a video. It's probably been over a week, but I am back starting at the end of this week, and I'll be dropping more videos next week. But today I have a new earning app for you guys to try out, and I'm gonna show you everything about this app. I've been using it for the past 3 days. At first I thought it was not legitimate, and then I reached my first cash out and I cashed out to my PayPal and it actually went through. So today I'm gonna show you guys how to earn with this new app and how to cash out right away. And you can cash out every 24 hours. So this new app I'm about to show you guys, it's called JustPlay. You've probably seen an ad somewhere on YouTube of a guy saying, oh, I cashed out $20 every 24 hours, blah, blah, blah. I've seen the ad on YouTube. I've seen the ad on different earning apps that I use. And I said, hey, maybe this app is legitimate and it does pay out. So I figured, hey, why not try it? Probably about 3 days ago, I went and tried this app. I thought it was super fake at first because when you sign on, you don't enter any details or anything. You just start earning right off the bat. And what I mean earning is you play these games and you can watch short videos, and these get you points, and these points add up to real money. So when you reach the cash out time, once your timer goes down, you'll see a timer when I show you guys, but once the timer goes down, you'll be able to cash out whatever you earned within that time. So when you first start the app, it'll give you 3 hours until cash out. So whatever you make within that 3 hours of using the app, you get to cash out right away. So then after that cash out, you'll see me cash out another time for you guys, and it gives you 24 hours. So within 24 hours, well, probably a little bit less, not counting my sleep time and all that, but I cash out again in the next 24 hours. So that right there deemed it legitimate to me. And I also researched around on Google just to find out a little bit more about the app, and other people are saying it's legitimate too. So at the top left of the app, you can see it'll hold your balance. It'll tell you what your balance is. And at the top right is the cash out button, and above the cash out button is the time limit, and that time limit counts down. Once that time limit goes completely to 0, you're able to cash out that amount that you earned from playing games, watching videos. I did, however, I did try tons and tons of the offers on their offer page, and I did have some success. You know, with a few of the games, I actually did cash out with those points from the offer wall. But most of the points that I earned came from watching the videos, which it's like 50 points per video, and you can do it every 2 minutes. So if you figure out you're making every 4 minutes, you're making 100 points, and 100 points is pretty much equal to $1. And see, the thing with this app, there is no, you know how other apps tell you send your referral link and have people sign up and you'll get a bonus, or you know, whatever they try to offer you. This app does not have a referral bonus system. So the link below that's in the description, I don't get no bonuses for you guys signing up. So if you want to sign up, go ahead and sign up. or you could go to Google Play, to the Google Play Store, and look up JustPlay, and it'll pop up first thing. So once you sign up, it'll automatically have you start earning. I know people are wary of doing that type of thing, but when you first sign up, just start earning, play a couple games. Well, I recommend playing one of the games from the home page and then watching videos for the rest of the time. So for your first 3 hours, I recommend playing the raccoon ball game, whatever it is. And then you just watch videos every 2 minutes, like periodically. Make you reach your cash out, so you guys can cash out within the first 3 hours. This app is pretty self-explanatory. You play games, you get paid. I believe the raccoon game, every time you reach a new level, it gives you 10 points. And every time you watch a video, it gives you 50 points. And offers range from anywhere from 200 points to 20,000 points. You just have to look through the offer page. But that's only if you want to do the offers. You don't have to do the offers in order to cash out. There's no minimum requirements to cash out. You can cash out with 1,000 points if that's all you want to cash out with. But really the only requirement to cash out is waiting on that timer to count down. And like I said, when you first start the app, it starts it at 3 hours. So within the first 3 hours of using the app, if you're on it for 3 hours straight, doing the method I told you guys to do, you're definitely going to be able to cash out within that first 3 hours. You guys can see I showed you guys that I cashed out twice with JustPlay. Showed you guys the app. I showed you guys some of the games that they have on the app. I showed you guys part of the offer page. I just wanted to make this video and tell you guys that I am back. I am going to be making new videos. I do have more earning apps for you guys. And this video is proof that I did. This video is proof that I was not just sitting in the background and doing nothing. The last 3-4 days, I've been researching apps. In the last 3 days, I've been earning with JustPlay. And today, I told you guys about JustPlay. So, without being said, for today, this is all I have for you guys for today. I may or may not drop a video tomorrow. But if I don't drop a video tomorrow on Friday, I want you guys to expect a video on Monday. But just know, if you're subscribed with a notification bell, you will see my videos all the time. I want you guys to see these videos so that you're legitimately earning something on the internet and not just clicking someone else's click funnel. I'm tired of scams. I'm tired of people getting scammed. It's almost 2022 and people are still seeking out scams, and that's not what I want to promote on this channel. I want you guys to be able to directly go to a link, start doing what I told you in my video, and then cash out with some money. That's what I want. I want you guys to earn money. So, with that being said, that's all the time I have for you guys today. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for liking, subscribing, commenting on any of my videos. I want to thank all the people who have been showing crazy support on all the old videos, on all the new videos, and on this video. Thank you guys for everything that you're doing for the channel. I will see you in the next video. Peace.